Hi guys! Are we doing a video?
Yeah.
This is my mom. I'm actually recording. I'm actually recording.
Okay.
Okay, and this is gonna be my first. Actually, I'm gonna give you a tour around the house. And I can't show my brothers in the video because they don't. I bet they don't want to be in the
We
video.
got a new Junie B that we
Yes.
start tonight. We start
Yes, we will.
this one tonight. We're big
Yes.
Junie B fans.
Yes. And I'm gonna go show them my room first. Okay. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna show you my room. Up here. It's right here. This is my room. There's a Bob Ross picture right there. And I don't know if I got that on camera. There's this big Hot Wheels set that I have. And I have this one, which is a loop-de-loop. And it goes in this bucket right here. It's supposed to be like a ramp. And the car like flips in this. And these are all my trophies up there. And I have a Funko Pop right here. And if you guys are a big Lanky Box fan, this is your vid. Cause look at this. Boxy Justin. And I have Dick Shark. Right here. And also, I have some little mini Among Us characters here. And I got this big boy Minecraft creeper. And this is a big thing that I have, and it says Arrow on the bottom, and that's his name. And here's Boxy. And here's KFC. And oh my gosh, Boxy's in the way. And here's Milky. And he also sings. Oh my gosh. Gotta turn his voice box on. How do I do things? How do I turn it on? Here it is. Boom. Oh my gosh, I can't close it. I need to get in there. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. And this is this guy. And I have this. And I have a couple more plushies, but I don't want to show them to you because I just don't want to. And here's this. This is my brother's room. And this is a big box of Sour Patch Kids right there. And there's literally, it's empty. This is, okay. And this is our bathroom. As you can see in the mirror, I am recording with my iPad. And here's the sink. Here's the little bath right here. And that's it for that room. And here's my brother's room. My brother's room. And he has a VR headset right there. Now, this room. This is my mom and dad's room. My dad sleeps right here, and my mom sleeps right here. And there's a little TV right there. Wow, I think I got that really good on camera. There's a little mirror right here. There's that. And my other brother's room is actually downstairs, but I really don't want to go down there. And that's pretty much all the rooms. So, hope you like that little room tour and house tour. So, like and subscribe, and comment which room is your favorite.